My name is Stephanie Ashton, and I'm the Director of Education at the Greensboro Children's Museum. Today, I want to read a story to you called Julian is a Mermaid by Jessica Love. And I love this book because it's all about being proud of who you are and finding special ways to celebrate what makes you, you.
Julian is a Mermaid by Jessica Love. This is a boy named Julian, and this is his abuela, and those are some mermaids. Julian loves mermaids. Vámonos, mijo. This is our stop. Abuela, did you see the mermaids? I saw them, mijo. Abuela, I am also a mermaid. I'm going to take a bath. You be good. Julian had a good idea. Oh. Uh-oh. Come here, mijo. For me, abuela? For you, Julian. Where are we going? You'll see, says abuela. Mermaids, whispers Julian. Like you, mijo. Let's join them. And they do.
Our activity today is Mermaid Slime, inspired by Julian is a Mermaid. For our activity, you will need clear Elmer's glue, borax, a couple of bowls, and some warm water. To begin, have an adult help you mix together half a teaspoon of borax and half a cup of warm water into a small bowl. Stir all of this together until the borax has completely dissolved. After you've mixed all of this together, set this bowl aside so the water can cool off. After mixing together your first bowl and setting it aside, you're going to have an adult take half a cup of clear glue and mix it with half a cup of room temperature water. Stir all of this together until the glue and the water are completely combined. After your glue and your water have been combined completely, begin to slowly add your first step bowl in with your second step bowl. As you're doing this, continue to mix. Then start adding 1 extra teaspoon of borax at a time. As you're slowly mixing in your borax, make sure that you're continuing to stir. Do this until it feels like slime. You may even want to start mixing the slime with your hands just to make sure it's the right consistency. Finally, your last step is to add sparkles. You can add any color you want, but I really liked this color of blue because I thought it looked like a mermaid. Once you add in the sparkles that you want, start to knead your slime. This will help the sparkles stay inside, and it also gives your slime a little bit of a better feel. And there you have it. That's how you make mermaid slime. Thank you for joining us. We'll see you next time.